Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Food for Life, where we share simple, healthy, delicious recipes to nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. I'm your host, and today we're cooking up a tasty, protein-packed dish sautéed chicken liver with onions, tomatoes, garlic, and a touch of green peppers. It's quick, nutritious, and full of flavor. Let's dive in! Before we get started, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. First up, we have 1 pound of chicken liver. You'll want to rinse these well and trim any excess fat or tricky bits. Chicken liver is packed with iron and makes for a great, affordable protein source. Grab your 1 onion, peel it and slice it thinly into half moons. The onion will bring a sweet, savory base to our dish. Next, dice up 2 ripe tomatoes and get ready to enjoy their juicy sweetness as they cook down into a flavorful sauce. Also, you'll need 2 small green peppers, 4 pieces of garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of salt. These add a wonderful touch of color and just the right amount of mild heat. Slice them into thin strips and set them aside. Now that we've got everything prepped, let's heat things up. Grab a large pan and heat 1 cup of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, drop in the liver, add salt, and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add garlic. You'll start to smell that wonderful aroma as the garlic release their flavors into the oil. You want them to be cooked through but still tender on the inside. Remember, overcooking can make them dry. Once the livers are nearly done, now add the onions. Sauté them for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to soften and turn golden brown. As the onions cook, we're going to add green peppers and coriander. Stir everything together and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's time for the tomatoes. Toss in your diced tomatoes and stir everything together. Let them cook down for about 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes break down and release their juices. At this point, give the dish a taste. You can season with salt and pepper to your liking. If you want a little extra kick, feel free to add a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of hot sauce. Let everything simmer together for a couple more minutes, allowing those flavors to meld. By now, your chicken livers will be perfectly cooked, tender, juicy, and coated in that savory, slightly sweet sauce from the tomatoes and peppers. And there you have it, a beautiful, flavorful, and nutritious meal in just under 20 minutes. Serve your sautéed chicken liver hot with a side of rice, couscous, or some warm, crusty bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. It's a meal that's hearty, satisfying, and full of goodness. I hope you enjoyed this simple, delicious recipe. Chicken liver is often overlooked, but it's such a flavorful and nutrient-dense option that deserves more love. Plus, it's super affordable. Thanks for joining me on Food for Life today. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share it with your friends. We've got plenty more tasty, easy recipes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.
Like and subscribe.